Welcome back. Having understood how the joins work, let us start understanding how each of the joins work. Let us get started with inner join. As we have already understood, for any join to work, we got to have two data frames. Here we are looking at one is the person data frame on the left, on the right we have a graduate data frame. What inner join does is it evaluates the keys in both the data frames, include only the rows that evaluate to true. What is the evaluation going on here? Evaluation with respect to the join expression what we have provided. How do we go about using the inner join? First and foremost thing is we got to create a expression, join expression. Here we got to provide the name of the join expression and the name of the data frame on the left side. The key on which we want to compare this data frame with the another data frame. This is on the right data frame and the key. After creating the join expression, we need to go ahead and specify the left data frame and join that with the right in the join expression. You can see I am providing here, this is the left data frame and I am using a join here and I am providing the right data frame and I am providing the join expression which I have created earlier. This is how you go about using the join. Inner join happens to be the default join in Spark. That is the reason I am not providing the type of join here. But if you really want to explicitly mention what kind of join you are using, then you can create a variable name join type and mention that as a inner and provide that as a part of your statement. Wonderful. This is how we use the inner join. Thank you.